So the first thing you're going to need to do to get started with blogging in your classroom is to create an account. If you go to kidblog.org, you have the option to create a class. Once you click create a class, you can choose to create a class using your Google account if you have one. If you'd prefer, you can start from scratch. What you'll need to do first is enter your display name. So whatever you want your name to be shown on your blog, so what your kids will see when you create a new post, it'll show up and say that you have created it, and it'll display your display name as the author. Choose your password, enter your email address. I would choose an email address that you use frequently. The reason is that you can choose to moderate all posts and all comments. So anytime a student would make a new post, you'll automatically get sent an email to whatever email you entered into this field here. Also, anytime a student was to make a comment, or if someone else, a grandparent, a parent, another student made a comment without being signed in or being signed in, you can moderate it, and it will not appear on the blog until you approve it, which you'll get an email sent to you to this email address telling you, hey, you have a new comment to moderate or you have a new post. The next field says to enter a class name. The one that I made earlier was just PD 2013, and then enter the verification code. Once you've done that, click create class. Once you click create class, if everything was done correctly, it will automatically sign you into your brand new blog. This is what your brand new blog should look like once you are able to get signed in. You probably are getting a page that will look similar to this once you are signed in. This is what they call the dashboard. You can see right up here there's a picture of a house, and this is called dashboard. It also has it in orange at the top. That lets you know that this is kind of your home page of your blog to manage everything on the blog. From here you can go through, you can choose to create a new post. This is not a student creating a post, this is you since you're logged in as the administrator. You can go to review any posts that have been made, you can access any of the comments that have been made, and you can go through and access all of the users that are part of the blog. So again, this is the dashboard that is showing up. If someone from your class or a parent access this blog from home or at school, this is what they would be displayed with. You can see the title of your blog will appear at the top. Your blog directory is who all are members of this. You can see right now I haven't added any students. I just have myself in as the administrator. Any posts that have been made will show up in the middle of the page. At the top you can see that you have the option again to make to kind of check out your own personal blog or see every single blog that's available, as well as create a new post from there. So again, that's how you're going to start by creating an account, and then I can toggle back and forth to go in and look at my dashboard again by clicking control panel. So those two little tabs at the top, I can click on the actual name to go see the blog live, and if I want to go back in and moderate some stuff and edit some settings, I can click on that control panel again. So again, that was getting started with creating your account.